Is your Windows computer refusing to connect to the internet via your USB Wi-Fi adapter? Let's get you back online fast. First things first, let's ensure the adapter is properly seated. Unplug the USB Wi-Fi adapter from your computer and try a different USB port. Sometimes a faulty port can be the culprit. Next, we'll check if Windows recognizes the adapter. Press your Windows key and the X key simultaneously to open the Quick Access menu, then select Device Manager in Device Manager. Look for Network Adapters. Expand this category and see if your USB Wi-Fi adapter is listed. If it has a yellow exclamation mark or red X next to it, that indicates a problem. If you see your adapter with an error, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will attempt to find and install the correct driver online. If automatic updates don't work, you'll need to manually download the latest drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website for your specific USB Wi-Fi adapter model, download the driver software, and then run the installer. Now, let's try a quick restart. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear up temporary glitches. Safely eject your USB Wi-Fi adapter, restart your computer, and once it's back on, plug the adapter back in. If you're still struggling, let's reset your network settings. Go to your Windows settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm your computer will restart, and you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Finally, consider if there might be any software conflicts. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software and try connecting again. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your protection. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying a stable Wi-Fi connection.